Look, Brazil, I made this video for you. Look what we buy in the shop here, yes? We can buy the mushroom. And we get the book also. Look, visual effect. This is Holland, you know. We can buy everything. Look, you get them in the bag, the truffles, you can eat them and you start fucking tripping, you know. This is how you gotta eat them. The flesh of God. Visual effect, you know. 4 stars. That's some nice shit.